Hello everyone, welcome to Crochet by Panema. On today's video I'm going to show you how to crochet a little flower. So what we're going to start off with is just going through the materials. I've got a 3.5mm hook and I'm using some cotton. So really for flowers and little motifs I prefer to use cotton, but you can use whatever you have. We're going to start off with a magic ring. So to do that I need to take my yarn, wrap it around my finger and then pull that little loop through, pull the needle through, the hook through it, and then make a chain. Right, so very gently, if you remove the hook, this is the ring that we're going to be working in. So to start off, what I want you to do is just hold the top end of the ring and then do chain 2. Okay, so there's chain 2. Then we're going to do 2 trebles and we're going to start off by doing the first one. So it's yarn over, we're working inside the magic ring. You need to pull the yarn through and then just tidy up your stitches. So you should have 3 hooks, 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. So there's your first treble done. So we do another one, yarn over, inside the magic ring, pull it through, just tidy it up a little bit, yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2. And then we're going to do one more. Okay, so there's 3 trebles. We started off with 2 chains, 3 trebles. Now we're going to finish off with 2 more chain, 1, 2. Then this time we're going to do a slip stitch inside that ring. So to do a slip stitch, you need to go inside your hook, pull the wool through and just pull it through that stitch there. That's a bit tricky to do, but by the end of the flower you'll soon be familiar with it. Okay, so that's 1 petal complete. So we're going to do another 4. So 2 chain, 3 treble, 2 chain. Make sure you count them as you go along, so you don't put too many in or too less in. And the slip stitch at the end. Okay, so there's 2 done. 2 chain, 3 treble, 2 chain. If you remember that for each petal, then that way you'll be able to just create them really quickly. There's 2, 3, 've got 3 now, and I've got 2 more to do. So remember, it's 2 chain, 3 treble and 2 chain. Then a slip stitch. On the last one now. Okay, so 2 chain and slip stitch. Right, so if I just remove the hook there, there's our 5 petal flower. What I need to do now is just cut off the wool and just pull that through. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just finish off the flower and weave the ends in. And to do that, we just need a needle. So I've got a needle here, it's quite a sharp one as well. So you need to get your flower, thread it through, and then if I just turn it over, and what I can do is I can pull this ring here, and what that does, it will just close off the little circle that we created. And then also what I'm going to do is just pull it through, really just weave it in and out so it doesn't come undone. Just weave it through the petal a couple of times. And then cut it. Okay, so we're going to leave this tail end in case we want to sew it onto something. And that's our 5-petal flower done. So thank you for watching. I hope it'll inspire you to have a go, and then we'll come back soon with another project. So bye for now.